Hi, my name is Goldman, and I'm the director of Goldman and Associates. And today I'd like to tell you what you need to know about military divorce. What do I mean by military divorce? It's not about two people, taking shotguns and shooting each other. That's not what it is. Military divorce will typically involve one spouse who finds themselves in the military. And what makes this interesting is because a lot of times when we have marriages and we're dealing with the division of assets or custody, for example, and visitation and support, we have two people who are similarly situated. Maybe they both live in, let's say, Bloomfield Hills, Michigan. And so they're trying to figure out custody and visitation and all that. It's very different from a situation where the mom, for example, lives one place and the dad is living the same place but deployed out of state or out of the country, more specifically. We get calls from people who are in the military. They're not only in the state of Michigan, they're not even permitted to tell me where they are because of security clearance and other issues. Doesn't happen that often, but every now and then we get that. So in that situation, what you need to know is if you are in the military, but you're in a situation where for whatever reason you've decided you must get divorced, the process doesn't have to wait till you come stateside. The process can begin and it can continue all the while you're still fulfilling your duties to the country. There will not be any disadvantage in your situation that the courts will exact upon you because you can't be present. That's not how we treat our service people. Every opportunity will be given, and every chance of making it as even as possible, that's going to be you're going to get that accommodation. Now, there are issues that we have to deal with a military divorce. Sometimes there are military benefits that has to be allocated. Sometimes there's military housing that has to go into support calculations, etc. So it's a little bit more sophisticated. And if you're in that situation, in order to be treated fairly, what you need to know is that you have to engage a law firm that has experience specifically with dealing with people in the armed forces. So if that should happen to you, reach out to us. We'll be glad to help you with your military divorce, and we'll help you navigate that process.